guys, welcome back to another What I Eat in a Day video. Thank you so much for logging on and joining me today for another fantastic day of food. So I didn't really think about filming today, which is why I've kind of got stuck in a bit of a rut this morning. I don't quite know what I fancy for breakfast. All I know is I want something nice and light and fresh, so I'm gonna go and get some fresh fruit from Tesco. I would go to Aldi, but there's roadworks and it would mean going all the way around and it's just not worth it for me, so I'm gonna go to Tesco. I'm gonna pick up a cooked chicken for lunch as well, because I quite fancy having like a flatbread chicken situation for lunch. And then for tea tonight we're gonna be having a Meatzza, which is basically a pizza made out of meat, which I'm very happy about, so I hope you'll enjoy it. The Meatzza is a recipe that I got from the Nigella website. I've been making it for years, I absolutely love it, but I've never done it in a video like this before, so it's really exciting for you guys. And I don't know what I'm having it with yet, perhaps with salad, perhaps with chips, but I'll work that part out later. But for now, let's go to Tesco. I'll link everything that I'm wearing in the description box down below. Top is a cami from ASOS and my new boyfriend jeans from Topshop that I really love, and they're quite baggy actually and loose fit, so they're really ideal for the warmer weather. And yeah, that's pretty much everything on the clothing front. I'll link everything down below, as well as any makeup and anything else I think might interest you. But for now, let's go hit Tesco, pick up the stuff that I need, get back and have a very, very late breakfast and coffee. And I'll also link this cardigan in case anyone is interested as well. I've just got back from the supermarket and I got these raspberries that were on offer, so I figured because I want them right now I may as well get the ones that need eating, or they'll just go off really. So I'm going to wash myself a few of these. I'll have the rest later, I'll pick it while I'm cooking, that's what I tend to do. And I'm going to slice up some of this watermelon as well. I love watermelon for breakfast, and because I know I'm having quite a big lunch, I wanted something quite fresh for breakfast, so I have this wedge of watermelon that I'm going to slice up. I'll probably eat all of this now, to be honest, because I love watermelon. I've just had my breakfast and the plan was to go out for the rest of the day in the sunshine because it was quite sunny when I left, but now, characteristically Britain style, it is absolutely raining cats and dogs. So I've decided to make something of the day and take the kids to see their nieces and nephews, which is about a 15-minute drive from where I live, so we're gonna go there and have lunch. So I've just bought a cooked chicken, as you've seen, so I'm gonna take that up and prepare it at my sister's house out for a bit. So if you notice that we're in a different kitchen, it's my sister's house, so don't worry too much about that, but it might be a difference for you, change of scenery and all of that jazz. So yeah, let's go and enjoy a bit of time at my sister's, have lunch there, and then get back and we'll do some baking for sure. Okay, so I've just arrived at my sister's house and I'm just about to prep a chicken salad wrap. So I have my cooked chicken here, which I'm gonna weigh out because I'm not sure how much of it I want. So I brought my weighing scales. I do have the new Weight Watchers ones, but I didn't want to risk traveling with them in the car because I don't want to break them. So I've just brought my normal standard weighing scales. I also have here some Weight Watchers wraps, which are 3 points for one. And I also have some baby leaf as well. And I'm going to see if there's any mayonnaise that I can have with it. But yeah, what we'll do is weigh out the chicken first and we'll see what that equates to. Previously, we're going to be making a Meatzza, which is basically a pizza, but it's going to have a meat base as opposed to a dough base, and then we're just going to have on it tomato and cheese, and it's going to be absolutely delicious. So I'm very, very excited about that. Again, I have had it before, I just haven't done it in one of these videos. I'm very excited to share it with you. I have put all the ingredients already into the Weight Watchers app, and I believe it is 7 points per serving, which is great, and this recipe will serve 4. So I'm just going to show you guys what you're going to need to prepare it. This is the recipe that I'm making. Again, this recipe serves 4. Ingredients wise, there isn't too much. You're going to need some mince meat. This is just the Aldi 5% fat mince. I also have some breadcrumbs here from Tesco, some chopped tomatoes, some Parmesan cheese, 2 medium-sized eggs. I have some garlic here and some garlic butter that I'm going to use for the base of my tin. I thought that this one would add some flavour, so that's what I'm going to use. I also have some basil leaves and a large onion as well, and all I'm going to do is basically incorporate these ingredients into the mixing bowl and then spread this tomato sauce over the top with the cheese, and it's going to taste delicious. I cannot wait for you guys to try it. Okay, so I have my meat already in my bowl, and all I'm going to do is add this chopped onion into the dish along with the garlic and the eggs, and this is quite a sensory activity as well, so it's great to get the kids involved. If you've got little ones at home, let them help out, because you get your hands nice and messy and they love anything like that. So I'm not particularly good at chopping, as you guys know, so my onion is a little bit bigger than what I would like. I could have spent a lot more time chopping it down or use the processor, but I'm lazy, so I've chopped it down as small as I can. Feel free to actually do it smaller so it doesn't impact as much, but I'm going to mix it in with the eggs, add these 2 grated cloves of garlic as well, along with my breadcrumbs, and that will just help to bind everything together and help everything sort of stick and become quite moldable in a way, because then we're going to mold it into the pizza dish and then allow it to cook in the oven. Don't forget to season this to your liking as well, so add salt and pepper, all of that jazz, and then just get your hands in and give it a good mix. in a day video. I actually have 12 points that I still need to eat, so as a treat I'm going to weigh out about 7 or 8 points with the Smarties, which are basically just the chocolate treat that we have here in the UK, for those of you that don't recognise this. And then I'm going to let a 4 or 5 roll over, guys, just because I really don't feel the need to have more than that. And of course, as standard, I'm going to be having my nightly orange as well. But I hope you all enjoyed this video. The Meatzza was so good. I knew it would be. I've had it many times before. It's a tried and trusted recipe that I really like, so if you are interested in creating that for yourself, check out the description box down below where you'll find point values and recipe links and quantities and all of that jazz. But thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to give it a like if you enjoyed it, comment down below, and also subscribe if you're new to see more what I eat from me, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.